Hello my dear family and friends, hope you all are doing well. Please support Siri Kitchen Moments channel and kindly provide your valuable feedback. Please watch the videos till the end for better clarity. Also, follow and tag Siri Kitchen Moments on different social media handles which I will post in the description section of this video. With that said, without further ado, let's get into our today's video. A nutritious and simple winter food that is made with rice and split green gram is none other than the comforting pulagam, which contains high protein and fiber and served as naivedyam and prasadam in temples and at puja ceremonies or harvesting festival, which is Sankranthi or Pongal. There are many variations in making this pulagam or the basic khichdi without vegetables. In this video, we will see how to make a very simple and nutritious pulagam. Firstly, take 1 cup of split green gram and add to a heating pan. Dry roast the green gram on low flame for 10 minutes by stirring continuously. Once green gram turns golden in color and releases a nice aroma, that's how we know that the green gram is well roasted. Now turn off the flame and keep aside. Next, take 1 cup of rice. Mix both the rice and the roasted split green gram together. Wash and rinse it and keep aside. Next, have a handful of cashew nuts, a few curry leaves, slit the green chilies lengthwise, thinly chop the ginger, take 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 2 cardamoms, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 10 cloves. Just to note, I didn't use black peppercorns for this recipe, but if you desire, you can add black peppercorns as well. Now heat a vessel, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. When hot, add bay leaves, cinnamon stick, star anise, cloves, cashew nuts and stir once. Now add chopped ginger, split green chilies, curry leaves and stir well. Stir well until the seasoning turns golden in color on low flame. Now pour 4 cups of water and add salt to taste. Give a nice mix and let water boil on a medium flame by covering the lid. When the water starts boiling, open the lid and add washed rice and roasted green gram. Give a nice mix and stir. Cover with the lid and cook until done. Remove the lid and check if rice is soft and well done. Turn off the heat and transfer to a serving bowl. A delicious, simple and comfort food pulagam is ready to be served during winters or during festive season of harvest, that is Sankranthi. This pulagam makes a wholesome meal that is excellent source of high fiber and protein. While the pulagam is freshly made and piping hot, serve this appetizing pulagam along with freshly prepared tomato pickle, a cup of yogurt and a little jaggery to the side. While Sankranthi is round the corner, you can have a keepsake of this pulagam recipe. If anyone watching for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, please do so by clicking subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon and select all notifications option so that as and when new videos are uploaded in Siri Kitchen Moments, you will receive immediate notifications. If you like this video, please do click on the like button. Also, you can express your valuable opinions and suggestions in the comment section and share this video to your loved ones. In short, please like, share, subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments. Hugs and love from Siri Kitchen Moments.